This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Plaw. Open contemporary floor plan, great room, dining room area, eat-in kitchen, family room with vaulted ceilings and wood-burning fireplace. Second-story hall overlooks family room below. Ceramic tile-in kitchen, laundry room and all bathrooms. Second-story balcony for outdoor enjoyment. HVAC 6 years, hot water heater 5 years. New in 2015 stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, carpet, paint, fixtures, tub, showers, toilets, vanities and sinks. All copper plumbing. Fenced big backyard. For more information, review the details below.